Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by fitting the cleats to your shoes and mounting the pedals to the cranks. Do this now. Use the bolt pattern that matches your shoe, 2 bolt for most mountain systems, and set 4 aft and about 0. 5 to 1 mm lateral float so your knee tracks naturally. Once done, thread the pedal into the crank, grease the spindle lightly, and tighten to the specified torque. This reduces seizing and keeps pedal stance consistent, which improves control and reduces knee strain. Now focus on engagement and tension. Set the pedal release tension to the mid-range so you can both clip in quickly and release reliably. You want to practice clipping in and out while stationary and at low speed. Approach with a progressive foot angle, roll forward slightly, then twist your heel outward to release. If you feel heel drag or knee pain, stop and move the cleat a few millimeters or increase float. Small incremental changes make the biggest difference in comfort and safety. Finish by applying everything on a progressive ride. Choose easy single track, ride with relaxed knees and focus on smooth pedal strokes. After the first few rides, recheck pedal tension, bearings, and cleat bolts. Tighten or replace parts as needed. If you encounter binding or inconsistent engagement, clean grit from the mechanism and apply a drop of light lubricant. If problems persist, swap the cleats first since they wear fastest. That one step usually fixes sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.